Hi guys, I'm Benji, and today we are back over here with another game. Well, we're back again with more of The Walking Dead season 2. So let's just resume to where we were at before. Okay, so basically, Clementine got bitten by dog, and people found her in the woods, and they can't she told them that she got bitten by a dog, but they don't believe her, and so they put her in a shed and they told her to sleep there overnight and see if she turns. So basically we have to find a needle and some peroxide for her bandages. For her bite. So
telling the truth and she doesn't think. Then
we apologize for being assholes, and then we help fix her
She
arm.
can't stay with us.
we barely have enough supplies for ourselves. We've got more fish in the truck.
I'm going to go back.
If a little girl can find her way here, then almost anyone can.
You saw those lurkers, all right? That's more than we've seen in a while.
Yeah, seems like it's not
Not as safe as it was. At least not like when we found it. But it's not.
There's nothing over here for me. This is such small space. Let's go upstairs and see what we can find. Oh, this is spooky.
You're not supposed to be in here.
I know.
Hey, don't make a sound. I'm just trying to fix my arm. What do you want? I need your help. My dad says I shouldn't tell you. I'm gonna get in trouble. Help me, and I won't hurt him. I'm hurt. Please help me. I shouldn't. What happened to you? A dog bit me. Sounds scary. I bet it hurts. I could die if I don't take care of it. Do you understand? I need something to clean it with. And I need a needle with thread to sew it up. Do you know where those things are? My dad has some stuff for cleaning with the supplies. Kinda burns. I don't know if he has stuff for sewing though. Really? Seems like he would. We don't have much. He's still trying to restock since we moved. I'll help you. Good. Thank you. I'm Sarah.
Hi, Sarah.
Hi there. We're friends.
Oh, oops, sorry. Come on, let's go back. Come on. What are those?
Right? We can be best friends. I haven't met another girl my age since way before. It's hard to be the only girl, you know? Rebecca's okay, but she's old. And that's it. And if her baby is a girl, it'll be forever before she's old enough to, be my friend. And I'll be super old. Yes, we are friends. Promise? It's important. Friends have to trust each other no matter what. Do you promise or not? I promise. Me too. Friends. A pinky swears forever. I'll see if I can find the stuff my dad uses when I get a cut. Let me look around. I think this is it. That'll work. You can't do it here, though. Someone will find you. Don't worry. I won't. Thanks, Sarah.
So Sarah seems nice. Oh, now I still need a needle. Okay, let's go.
It's clean. I guess that's all I need. I better get out of here.
Let's get up now.
That man sometimes.
Just need to have this baby. Let it be okay. Let it be his.
She better be. This is she's nice. Okay, let's leave now. Come on, let's go. Let's leave now. Okay, I'll pause the video right here and I'll be back whenever I'm back in bed. Okay, we're back. Now we just need to start. Ooh, I can tell she's very nervous. Very nervous about this stuff.
This is gonna suck.
Okay. Okay, let's do it.
I just wish it was better.
Oh, I just wish we didn't even have to even go next to the dog. Okay, so I think we started the top side. Oh.
Okay, I'm good. I'm fine. Now the fun part.
Oh, I don't think that's fine, okay?
No. Just like last time. Just how Krista showed me.
Oh my god, okay, this is hard. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, now we need to put some pressure on it. That should do the job. Are you gonna drop everything for the time?
Holy shit. What the? How the hell did it get in here?
Girl's tough as nails.
Are you all right?
Are you happy? I could have died, you know.
Well, you didn't.
I just needed some help.
Okay guys, well I think that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a like and subscribe because I make new gaming videos every day. And I'll see you guys next time. Okay, bye.